Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day, Thursday 30 May 2024. Today I will be trading along US dollar, pound in New Zealand and short in the Aussie, the yen and the CAD. At the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started with the dollar index. Consumer confidence bounced the market 2 days ago. And yes, sorry, I didn't make a video yesterday. We had election day in South Africa yesterday, so I was not active in the markets. That's why I did not publish a video yesterday. So bouncing on consumer confidence, very positive. Not that I followed it, it's just I was just interested in why. So we saw the bounce, and then yesterday on no news, it just kept going. So it's very, very dollar bullish. Dollar was negative here and it's pushed up yesterday right through the ranks up to the dollar strength here, second strongest. See, this is what I was worried about, this moving averages, the medium and the long term support levels coming in. We were between a rock and a hard place. News is the only thing that pushed us out of something like this. And that's exactly what happened now. So we got the long hammer candle here showing, oops, it's going to bounce. Didn't expect this kind of thing. But now we've got medium long-term bullish. We got intraday bullish. It's just a little end of a short-term indicator that shows a little bit of bearishness, but it could be just something like this. So we got 3 out of 4 bullish, so I have to stay dollar bullish, and that's as simple as that. That puts a lot of pressure on gold. Gold, fortunately, the daily charts did not give me a reversal here for some long setups. The candles was not strong enough for the reversal, so I did not enter the trade there. So for now, there's not much we can do here. The intraday trend has turned bearish, and we had a little bit of a consolidation yesterday. Some of my members traded this. There's a little bit of a flag pattern there. We had a different strategy for that, but there was a short there for those sillies that short commodities. And they're making good money. But other than that, I don't personally short commodities at all. So other than that, I don't see anything that we can do on gold for today. Terrible candle on the weekly charts yesterday. The troublesome part is we broke to a new all-time high and then the big sell-off. That's not good news. That's not good news. But all right, on the dailies, we are testing the 61%, this retest of this flag pattern. But things not looking good, obviously, on a very, very strong dollar. Focus on cryptos this morning. Bitcoin still consolidating after the Ethereum ETF was approved. And consolidating here, I see another triangle coming up. Could be a potential flag, could be this. So we could still see this 50-61% trade zone tested. Now I'm just drawing it here because it looks like it's bouncing. But we still need a breakout. We still need this to get out of the sideways range. And as I said on previous videos, guys, consolidations you'll always get. Just sit. Don't get stopped out or do something stupid here. Don't screw it up. As simple as that. We got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in cryptocurrencies and bitcoins to really catch the Googles at $1 and the Apples at $1 for argument's sake. Today, everybody, I mean, Google and Apple and those guys, they were swear words in the 2000s, early 2000s. Why would you buy something with the internet? Why would you buy a share in Google? Well, that's what people have been saying. Why would you buy these stupid, silly cryptocurrencies? Well, they're proving themselves, and you're not too late. You can still buy. It's always for me. Crypto stays a buy, and I'll stay bullish in cryptos as long as I live, I think. There will be sell-offs. There will always be sell-offs. Like we had here, we've seen big sell-offs. Unfortunately, this was a terrible one, this one, yeah. Oof. But you're back above it. It's not the end of the world. It's a long-term view for me. I don't trade this on short-term basis. A little bit dabble here and there. But so Bitcoin breakout still good. We need to break that trend line on top there. That's what we're after. That's what we need to break. If we look at the rest of the cryptocurrencies, I showed you the breakout here on Chainlink. You see, nice moves. We didn't get it in Bitcoin, but we got it on Chainlink. I showed you on Ethereum the breakout. We were just lucky that we got the ETF approval right after that. Uniswap, that was the breakout, flying up the price, a divergence trade there. Solana, okay, did retest now, nice bounce, okay, looking okay. Bitcoin Cash not doing that great, just flat on the break. Polkadot, still slightly in the money there. XRP never got into anything, very disappointing, and so forth. So not much happening there. If you look at a bit at the global crypto space, You can see on the dailies a little bit red since yesterday, but look at the weeklies turning more green. Okay, but the one that really intrigues me is the monthly one. A lot of green coming in on the bigger ones also. Chainlink here, Uniswap coming in there. A lot of meme coins. Yes, you can see Doc with that, Pepe, a lot of these smaller ones. Yes, true. But some of the bigger ones are really, really Ethereum up there, Bitcoin, a little bit Shiba Inu there. So it turns a little bit more bullish for me. If I look at the monthly, I like to use the monthly here. The dailies, that doesn't bother me too much. The weeklies and the monthlies are the two. So the weeklies starting to slowly but surely we start to see some big green ones, but a little bit reddish still. But the monthly is a big one, turning very much bullish here for me. So still keen on buying everything that I can spot. Yeah. Then the FTSE, I gave you this one here on Tuesday. I said to you, if we can get a nice bearish engulfing wrapping around those three small bodies, then you can short, and that's exactly what happened. And the short was on. Targets got hit at 1.27, 1.618. You see, there was a target, there was a target hit. It's actually going now beyond. So well done on that one, guys. Trade, very, very, very nice trade. Still up for today. There, back to the retracement. I'm still keen on that level there, between 50 and 61% level. We've got a strong pound, and the strong pound, the stock market bearish, the trend is bearish, the US markets are bearish. So this is really the only real index that I'm interested in for today. But we got a lovely trade there, a mentoring program, shorted up there on a divergence setup, and we sat through all this. So we got a short up there, one little long that failed, and then a short again there, and we're hitting all the targets. So I'm completely out of the shorts on the FTSE. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based, 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, guys, check out the link in the description. Then the Aussie Yen, I gave this one to you last week, a bit earlier this week. We got the breakout as it got so close to the target. Let's see here, long lower shadows. We trailed the stop loss there, and that got it at break even. So no, I'm done, but well, not a profit. I am having a hard time on the market. I've got some good ones, but I'm getting hit a few times too many. But nothing here for today on the Aussie Yen still, so I'm taking this off my watch list for today. In the pound cat, still interested in this one. The big swing here, 50 to 61%, right at that level there. Structure there. I'm waiting for this. You can see pound, all the sparkle, and the cat in the red zone. So I want to be long here. I want to still be long pound. So I'm waiting for a retracement. I just don't want to buy there in the side. I want to buy at the bottom of the sideways range, or then the break and a retest. But at this stage, I'm waiting for the bottom of the sideways range. Then the Swiss yen, now testing the level. I'm watching last directional swing, retest 50% level. There is another level which we can look at. It's very tempting, so it's not bad, but okay, it's the same scenario here. We need a test and a reversal. Swiss neutral zone, so but the yen on the short side, but the yen is gaining. It was bottom of the pile, and now it sits here fighting with a bloody euro. So a little bit worried. We'll be nimble, we'll be cautious on this one. And then my favorite trade idea for today is along on the US yen. Dollar in the green zone, yen still in the red zone. Retest, big level coming in here. Resistance, resistance, support, support. I like this market to test this level right at 61% of this last directional swing. I need a retest and a nice counter reversal that I'm going to consider some longs here. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.